Students, you all know that small business is very important for the economic development of the country. So what was the role of small business in India? India में small business का क्या role है, क्या importance है? So the role of small business in India is first is contributes to industrialization and export. When we are having large number of small businesses in India, small industries in India, so it will contribute to the industrialization. इससे हमारी इकोनॉमी में इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन होगा, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इंडस्ट्रीज होंगी एंड ऑल्सो वी आर कंट्रीब्यूटिंग इन एक्सपोर्ट इन इंडिया, और इससे हमारे देश को कई वैल्यूबल फॉरेन करेंसी मिलेगी. दैट मीन्स वी कैन एक्सपोर्ट लार्जर प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफ आवर कंट्री टू अदर कंट्रीज व्हेन वी आर हैविंग लार्ज नंबर ऑफ स्मॉल स्केल एंटरप्राइजेस. देन एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेशन. यस, स्मॉल बिजनेसेस से सिर्फ हमें प्रोडक्शन ही नहीं मिलता, बल्कि हम यहाँ पर एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेशन भी होता है. मेनी पीपल विल गेट एम्प्लॉयमेंट इन स्मॉल बिजनेस इन इंडिया. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग हमारे देश में जो कि इलिटरेट हैं, पुअर हैं, वो ज़्यादा लोग इन्वॉल्व हैं स्मॉल स्केल बिजनेस में. तो स्मॉल स्केल बिजनेस इज अ गुड सोर्स ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेशन ऑल्सो. लार्ज वैरायटी ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स. In a small scale industries, we are producing large varieties of products, because in a large scale industries, it is not possible to produce everything. But in small scale industries, we are having a large varieties of products, like we are producing consumer goods as well as we are producing luxuries, sophisticated goods also. Now with the small scale, medium and micro industries, with the help of these industries, we are having a large variety of products. It means अब हम बहुत तरह की goods produce कर सकते हैं. Now and it promotes balanced regional development. Balanced regional development, you know कि previously in our country the urban areas are developed and the rural areas are still backward. But when the number of small scale industries were started in rural areas, now the small and backward areas are also get developing. So this it promotes the regional balanced regional development, that when we are having large number of small scale industries in India, so the each and every part of the country will be developed. So there will be equally development will be possible when there is we are having large number of small scale enterprises in India. And development of entrepreneurship. एंटरप्रेन्योर, यू नो दैट व्हेन अ सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड पर्सन, जब हमें खुद से अपना कोई बिजनेस शुरू करते हैं, काम शुरू करते हैं, हमें दूसरे के पास जाके काम करने की जरूरत नहीं होती. दैट मीन वी बिकम एंटरप्रेन्योर. नाउ विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्री, जितनी ज्यादा स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज होंगी उतनी ज्यादा एंटरप्रेन्योर्स डेवलप होंगे, उतनी ज्यादा एंटरप्रेन्योर्स बनेंगे. सो इट डेवलपमेंट ऑफ एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप विल बी पॉसिबल ओनली विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्मॉल स्केल बिजनेस. लो कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन. स्मॉल स्केल बिजनेस वॉज जनरली स्टार्टेड बाय लो कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन. इसमें ज्यादा पैसा इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं करना पड़ता, ज्यादा पैसा नहीं लगता. तो दीज इंडस्ट्रीज कैन बी स्टार्टेड विथ लो इन्वेस्टमेंट, लो कैपिटल इन्वेस्टमेंट इज रिक्वायर्ड. क्विक डिसीजन. स्मॉल स्केल बिजनेस में अगर हमें रिगार्डिंग आउटपुट, रिगार्डिंग प्राइस ऑफ द गुड्स, रिगार्डिंग प्रोडक्ट, what goods to be produced and how much goods to be produced, we have to take these type of decision very quickly, because we don't need to take consultation with others, we have to take advice with others. The person, the owner of the small business himself will take the decision, so that he will take quick decision. Suitable for customized product. Customized product, you know that the product which are so you all know that what is customized product. Customized product means the requirement of the customer. So in a small scale business, we are generally producing the goods of the customer's choice. In a small scale business, we are taking caring of the interest of the choice of the customers. So customized product can be easily produced in these small scale enterprises. And personal contact. Small scale business are having personal contact with the buyers, with the customers. So they are in touch with customers. They can understand the demand of the customers, what they want, what type of goods are they are demanding. So they are having personal touch with the customers. So they also know the requirements of the customer, and according to that they want to fulfill their requirements. So this is the role of small business in the development of India. And in India, without small scale enterprise, we can't think of the development, because we are still there are so many poor people in our country, and generally lot of areas of our country are rural and backward. And in these areas, if we want to develop, so we can have more and more small scale enterprises in our country.